Hello guys, welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen, and on today's episode we'll be flying all the way to Italy and let's make liver the Italian way. So stay tuned, and if you would want us to visit your country next, kindly subscribe and comment down below. So the first ingredient is 1 red onion, and guys, remember that I've listed down below the ingredients on the description box. Kindly check that out. So always ensure that you've cut your onions perfectly and they should be very small. The next thing is that we're going to have 3 cloves of garlic, and we're not going to just cut them normally, we're going to be grating them. But if you just decide to maybe use a pestle and a mortar, you can use that, or even smash them using a knife. It just works the same. So that is our grated garlic, onions, those are Royco cubes, they are beef cubes, paprika and blended tomatoes, and 1 kg of liver. So let's get to cooking. Light up your source of heat, and then you put oil that is going to help cook or caramelize all your onions perfectly, okay? And if you don't have the red onions, you can definitely use the white onions just work the same. So after your oil is heated up, guys, never skip that process, because I see a lot of people skipping that process. Caramelize your onions, and then after that you add in your grated garlic, okay? And if you also love ginger, you can definitely add ginger at that point, and then you add in your beef cube at that point, okay? Yes. And if you don't have like the beef spice in your place, you can definitely skip that. And then we add 1 teaspoon of paprika. Yes, paprika is the same as pepper, and it's very rich in color. Then we also add in our blended tomatoes. Those were 5 medium sized blended tomatoes, and I really prefer blended tomatoes because they don't have any chunks, and they are definitely they're usually very smooth, and they are very rich in color. But if you don't have a blender, you can definitely grate your tomatoes, okay? And then we add in our liver at this juncture. And guys, to avoid taking uncooked liver, you can ensure that you cook your liver well and you cook it for a longer time. So for us, you're going to give that a quick good stir and let our liver cook for 15 to 20 minutes, and then don't forget to add in your salt at that juncture. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye bye.